Here's what you're doing today to get better at boxing, specifically improving your footwork. And the tool that we're using today is the heavy bag. I want you to get better at using the heavy bag. Here's what you're doing today to get better at boxing, specifically footwork. And the tool you're using today is the heavy bag. I want you to get better at using the heavy bag. It's one of the best tools to get better at boxing on your own. So when we talk about what you're getting better at today in your footwork and the tool of the heavy bag, if you don't have access to it, that's fine. You could do it from a shadow boxing standpoint. But let's get into the combination of the drill that we're doing today. I'm going to show you what it looks like, then I'm going to break it down for you. And what that is from a combination standpoint for those of you or for you who like numbers, we're doing a 1-1-2 with the shuffle out and a 1 or 2 as well. Now, you know that I don't like using numbers in combinations because we can use any shots for those, any hands for those shots. So we can do a 1-1 hook, we can do a 1-1 upper, we can do a 1-1 overhand as far as with our rear hand, but it's just understanding what we're trying to go ahead and set up. Now the shuffle to get out, if you don't have access to my footwork course, I suggest you get that so the verbiage makes sense for you. Comment below, I can actually send you that free video that has my footwork verbiage, but once again, we're going with the 1-1-2, shuffling out, and then we're throwing a shot as well. The idea of this is for us to jump on our opponent, get out with a clean exit, have them chase us, and then see what shot we can go ahead and throw next. So once again, to get into the combination, we're going to throw jab, jab, right hand, shuffle out with the footwork, control the space with the jab as well. We can do the next part of it, which is a 1-1-2, get out, throw a right hand to go and control the space. The big emphasis for you is as we shuffle out and throw that shot, we want to disengage all the way where we're not close enough to hit the bag and the bag is not close enough to hit us. However, if our opponent were to go ahead and take that space, we're letting them know there's a jab available for you. We're letting them know a right hand is available for us. But with the shuffle, we want to shuffle out quick so we're aware of what shot we can throw back at our opponent as we go ahead and take a peek at them. Southpaws, I have the same thing available for you as well. You're going into a double jab, rear hand, shuffle out, control the space again with your lead hand, which is your right hand. Control the space with your rear hand, which is going to go ahead and be your left hand. But that's what you're doing today on the heavy bag to improve your footwork when it comes to boxing. Do that drill once again when we have our warm-up, we have our emphasis for the day, and we have our cool down, but this being the emphasis for the day where you're working on your footwork. Once again, the time doesn't have to be a long time. We want to make sure our intentions are pure. So if you're new to this, start at a minute, 30 seconds off. As you improve, a minute 30, 30 seconds off. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, it's up to you, but just make sure that your intentions are pure and you're using the heavy bag with good intentions to get better at boxing, specifically today with the footwork. But that's what you're doing today to get better at boxing. Ask me questions, that's what I'm gonna make videos on to help you out, but I'll see you in the next one. Get better today.